So how do you record a video without a background noise on the Android? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get into it. So the built-in camera app is usually good enough, like you can switch to the video mode and so on, and there isn't really much to do in terms of the background noise. Like if you're recording video, all you can do is basically max out the things you can do physically to limit the background noise, like close the windows so you don't hear the street, right? You probably can hear some background noise in this video right now, but I'm also using like a microphone with this like windshield, so it makes it a little bit easier to hear and so on. So you can, for example, use the professional microphone setup on your Android phone to record the videos and audio. But the point is that this only gets us so far, and once we have the videos saved in our gallery and those still contain some background noise, you can remove it, but in the post-production. So you can get to the Play Store and look up an app which is called Audio Video Noise Reducer, and you can get it for free. You can kind of set it up like this, and on the main page you can click on the it will probably ask you some things about it, right? Whatever. But the point is that you can in here click on a noise reducer, choose the video which you have stored in your gallery. For example, this one, it's gonna process it a little bit, right? And you will, once it's done, you will have the ability to keep the same video but without the background noise. So you can play it, see if it makes any difference. You can play around with the different models which are available, or adjust the general volume, right? So once you're happy with it, you can export it as video or as audio only, and you will have the same sound but without the background noises and sounds which you don't want there to be the the background to begin with. So I hope it helps. Let me know if you managed to make it work. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future videos and tutorials like this one.